Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Analytics. Uh, Here we discuss about the introduction to data analytics. Okay, so move on to next slide. First we do what we discuss about what the data science professional are actually doing. What is the career opportunity? The industry is hiring the data scientist professionals. The skills required to be a data scientist and what's the salary structure. Okay. So, what is data science? Data science is a field that involves using analytics and statistical methods, computational tools and techniques to extract knowledge and insights from the data. It means the company have many data sets getting from the different type of source, okay? And the data science professionals to get the exact and structured data from the all the data sets, make it into an information or in a like you can say the insights which actually required. Then according to that data, the company will decide what to do the next step for the business growth of. Okay, so it involves of cleaning data, analyze and visualizing it to build models to make perfect data driven decisions. After getting the data, the required data, we have to visualize on the different type of tools using that we discuss in the coming slides to do the dashboards and creating reports so that it will clear picture to the CTO or the CEO of the company to get into better data driven decisions to make the business profitable. Okay, so actually the main things in short term, the data science are actually the professional do the things which required to business growth of this company. Okay, okay, related to data science, what one can become in the different type of post, like he can be a data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, data scientist, power BI developer, SQL developer, and product analyst. All these job roles are related to data science only because the all the job roles contains the similar type of skills. Only 5 to 10% of the skill sets or the job roles are different. Almost 90 to 95% are same. Okay, the industries who are mainly looking for the data science professional is related to business and marketing companies, healthcare, hospitalization, pharma companies, social media companies, ed tech, information technology, and banking sector. Even now, many small scale business are also required for the data science professional because each and every business growth there is behind a data science team is working so that the business is growing day by day. Without in today's date, without any type of business growth, without any data, the growth will be quite uh, impossible nowadays because we are living in the 2000 era and completely IT era and completely internet of things. Okay, so without internet and without data, you can't decide to get into the perfect data driven decisions and make the business and make the company too profitable. The data scientists are playing the very great role nowadays in the various of companies. Okay, so here we discuss what's the skills required for the data science. The most common things require the technical. If you go for the technical skill, then the basic skill you can start if you are going to, if you are belongs to a non-coding background. Microsoft Excel, to master in Microsoft Excel is the first technical skill one should be learned to be a data analyst or data science professional to enter into the data profiles. Okay, not only basic things you have to master on that and have to beyond from your journey start from basic to from advanced level of Excel. Okay, then the second come to the next technical skill is like MySQL database, because whatever the database knowledge is very important, because whatever the data we get and collect all the store in the only databases. So how to treat data and how to use it, how to write the syntaxes so that you get the data, do the cleaning part. All these things are doing only in the database. And using database MySQL, you can also do the ETL part, which will be going to discuss in the coming video sections. And after that, the after the database section, you can go for any one of the language. Either you can go for Python and not into the depth of the Python. You just need to that some of the part required to the data science. You have to just learn about the Python on that much, okay? And the technical skills like the visualization tools, just like Power BI or Tableau, and nowadays you can go for also Google Look, or even many companies are going for. But the in-demand skills nowadays is going for the most of the companies are working with the Power BI, and second is Tableau. With these three technical skill, one can be ready to be a entry level data analyst position. If you are going under 0 to 2 year of experience or 2 to 3 4 year of experience, then these three skills are sufficient to get into a data analyst position. Not only this technical skill, you have to be confident on these soft skills also, like paper presentation skills and communication skills. These two things are the daily task you can going to face in your job role. Okay, because the after getting all the data and creating the dashboard, you have to present to the CTO and the CEO of this company. So paper presentation skill is must. To be presentation, you have to communicate with English. So your English communication language will be must be perfect. So these three things are the skills required for the data science. Ever like you can, as I said, the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft SQL, programming languages like Python, R. If you know both of them, then it will be very great. Otherwise, you can go for anyone, either Python or R. Technical skill is you have to go for any Power BI and Tableau, and these two things are and the looker, and these three technical skills have the most of the work is similar, because Power BI, Tableau, and looker, these three things are the work processing and the work actually you do in this software is quite similar. Okay, and that these soft skills are like paper presentation, communication skills, your behavior, your attitude. These things comes under the soft skill, which you have to which is main things you have to in this you have to put in your attitude, in your body. It's like it is the mandatory part to be a data analyst. The main part is in the soft skill. You have to be a proper presentation skill and the best communication skills. Okay. Now comes to the salary part. What the data science actually get in India? If you are a data analyst position and as a fresher, you can expect up to 4.5 LPA. If your experience is around 1 to 3 years, then you can go for minimum of 6 LPA. These things are the minimum salary structure I discussed. If you have the 3 to 5 year of experience, you can go for 8.5 LPA, and above 5 year can also get the package of 12 LPA. Similar to the business analyst, it's almost same. The data analyst and business analyst quite similar profiles, only 5 to 10% are difference. Data scientist are as a fresher you can go for 7 LPA, 1 to 3 year of the experienced person can go for 9 LPA. 3 to 5 year of the experience can be aspect of 12 LPA, and above 5 year can opt to go for 15 to 20 or more than 20 LPA also. Next, come to the Power BI developer. This job role also for fresher, it can be you can expect of 4.5 LPA, then 1 to 3 year of experience can go for 7 LPA. 3 to 5 years can get also 10 LPA, and above 5 years for the you can go for the 13 LPA. These are the minimum salary structure I put in this slide, and you can according to your negotiation quality and your previous salary structure, you can go for the some higher values. Okay, so what brain tech analytics actually do? It is a brain tech analytics is a laid up team of different type of different IT companies like big MNCs from HCL, Cisco, Samsung, and TCS, and they are the deep industry experience passionate professionals on mission to create a center of excellence for data analytics training. It's only focused to only particular role, either to business analyst, data analyst, or MS executive like that. Our mission is to create in this role because most of the people are graduated and they don't have any skills. They don't know how the exact the process to get into the learning the things, acquire the skills, master on that, and get the interview calls. Okay, so it is one of the best training center for the data analytics, data science education, and focus on entering to new data professional, providing best training as per the market standards. We prepare our students to be job ready from day one with interview preparation, resume building, and different type of workshop along with that one-to-one mock interview with industry level expert from the big MNCs company. Before you go sitting in front of any real-time interviews with any big MNCs, you already faced the interviews in our organization with different type of companies with those who are taking interviews are the big expert from the big MNCs company and IT companies like Amazon, Samsung, Cognizant. Okay, so you have the idea before getting into the real interview. They have the already given many interviews like mock interviews with our team. Those who are already working with HCL, Cisco, okay, Amazon, Cognizant, these are the things. And nowadays many startups are also going on, like the startup era is going on, so many of the startup also is hiring for the data science professionals. So thank you for the watching these slides, and you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And along with that, any type of suggestion if you require, you can directly reach out to the our LinkedIn profile. We can definitely looking up forward to you. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel so that you can also get the various content related to data science professionals and data analyst, data science things you can get from this channel. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching.